Microstock by Adil.
Microstock by Adil. So today we are gonna have a graphic design tutorial for Microstock. In this tutorial we are gonna design a 2D illustration and search for the theme and use ChatGPT to help us in the design process and come up with ideas. So to find the briefs on Shutterstock, we can go to the interface. For example, here we have two briefing are showing on the first page. Here a brief concerning patterns, and here a brief concerning textures. So for now we are going to insights. Here we can find a list of briefs. Just scroll down to content briefs, and this page will come up. Content brief, create content Shutterstock customer are actively searching. So here are different teams. We can choose one team. I found this team that talk about sustainable climate visuals because me I like everything related to technology. So I think I will do something in this team. Sustainable climate visuals, Shutterstock content brief. So here we have sustainable climate visuals. I just I will note this word here and let it on the side. Sustainable climate visuals. Okay. The need of contemporary and highly aesthetic content dis- depicting the latest in sustainability and in energy production in both daily life and on a industrial or policy level is over so present. As energy companies lose to battle the climate crisis, they are reshaping their future focus on new technologies. To support this shift, Shutterstock is seeking content that shows the evolution of sustainability efforts. Sustainability efforts. We have also the sustainability efforts, and the latest technology used in energy production, both individual latest technology used in energy production. Production, both individual and industrial scales. Energy companies, governmental climate agencies, financial services, specialized in press, and industry with a strengthening focus on sustainability have shown strong interest licensing this content. Use keyword sustainable climate visual when submitting content to this brief. So in the submission process, we have to use sustainable visuals on the keywords. So this is a brief. So we are going to note a keyword sustainable climate visuals. So we are going to scroll visual that help illustrate the concrete action, positive steps, solution, and the people take everyday life that pave the way to a better, more sustainable future. So scenarios. We have here green technology, linking industrial scale green technology with humanity. Natural portrait of people working on reputations in factories, buildings, new energy efficient building, green public space, or vertical forest. Vertical forest. That people interact with their regularity. Climate change is a global issue. People What's some example? Green technology. Green technology is the application of one or more of environmental science, green chemistry, environmental monitoring, and electric devices monitor model measure through which interest chemistry. Um. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to help us to come up with some. So I will tell him I need to create a do the illustration for Microstock. I will give you the team and help me find three ideas to choose one to work on it. So I will just give him these keywords. I will add like this. We will see what ChatGPT will give. So, sustainable climate visual, eco cityscape, a vibrant city skyline where buildings are covered with greenery featuring solar panels and wind turbine integrated into architecture. This illustrates a future where urban development harmonizes with the nature. Climate action montage, a split illustrations showing before and after scene of an environment on one side, show pollution and deforestation on the other side and depicts a lush green landscape with thriving wildfire and a clean air, emphasizing the impact of climate action. Climate heroes, an illustration of diverse people, scientists, activists. I won't use this. Sustainability for green household, a detailed interior of a sane, modern, eco-friendly home featuring energy efficiently appliance, circular economy cycle, a diagram style illustration showing the concept of circular economy. It can depict the life cycle of products from production to recycling. Community garden and supervised community garden with people. Latest technology used in energy production. Advanced wind turbines, a futuristic wind farm with cutting-edge turbines design, including vertical axis wind turbine and hybrid model. The scene could be a set of high-tech landscape with clear energy infrastructure. Solar Innovation Hub, an illustration of high-tech research facilities dedicated to solar energy showing advanced solar panel, smart grid technology, a visual representation of a smart energy grid integrating various renewable energy sources. It could include the element like digital grid, energy storage. I think I will go for advanced wind turbines. I will go for this team. So the team concerned the latest technology used in energy production. And I'm going to write this here. So I will just make a small research on Google concerning advanced wind turbines to have an idea. Advanced wind turbines. So here we go. Wind turbines. Go directly to the images. So here we are coming up with some advanced wind turbines. Okay, wind turbines. Renewable energy industry, making offshore wind. I will try to. I can go to the website pixel.com and I will try to find some ideas. I think the site is not working. Uh, Excel. Ah, so here, advanced wind turbines. What I'm going to do is to try to. I like this scene. By the way, pixels.com, you can have free downloads here of images if you want, but I don't recommend to submit them to Microstock websites for copyright issues. So here, wind turbine, we are going. I will choose this one. A futuristic wind farm with cutting-edge turbine, including vertical axis wind turbine. Oh, vertical axis wind turbine. Vertical. I think these are the vertical axis wind turbine. Those are the vertical axis wind turbines. Okay, vertical axis wind turbine. I will just see vertical axis wind turbines in. Okay, and hybrid models. I think this is the hybrid model. Wind turbine hybrid. Hybrid wind turbine. Hybrid are using a mixture of a solar panel and classical wind turbines. So for the hybrid, we are gonna use this mixture. Okay, I get the idea now. The scene could be set in a high-tech landscape with clean energy infrastructure. A high-tech landscape with clean energy infrastructure. High-tech landscape. What do you mean with this word? High-tech landscape. High-tech landscape. Maybe yes. This is just a suggestion from ChatGPT to use the high-tech landscape. You can use building on the background some I take landscape. Okay, landscape contractor landscape. I take landscape. Landscape. I take. Okay, maybe just the modern building, something like this. I will just use this for inspiration. This is just for inspiration purpose. So what I'm going to do is this. I will just make a sketch about the illustration that I'm going to create. New print. So just to create a pre-sketch, we're go. So we'll try to illustrate this before creating, before working on the design on Illustrator. So we're going to create land like this with hybrid turbines. So the hybrid turbines will be, I will maybe make 3 of them here. One, two, two. With the solar panel, this is the sun, must be the solar panel. Maybe three of them like this. Turbines with solar panel and including vertical axis wind turbines. So maybe I will make vertical axis wind turbine here. Maybe 2 or 3. No, I think just 2. Vertical axis wind turbine here. Ta 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 ta. Vertical axis. Do, do, do. So here I'm gonna. So here I'm gonna use a green land here, and on the background I'm gonna use some modern buildings, maybe with some plant on the wall, on the windows, or we'll just duplicate them on the background here. So this is the idea, and here a sunny day. So now we have the sketch with clean energy infrastructure. So the high-tech landscape is this. The building will, on the background, will add this touch of high-tech landscape. So just, I'm gonna save this sketch and directly open Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator, new file. I will drag the images like this. Resize them. Everything must be resized. Just like this, and this one. I don't think I will use this, but and the high-tech background city maybe. So the first thing is that I'm going to do is try to I will try to make a mixture between a traditional wind and the hybrid model. Traditional wind turbines and the hybrid. I will just go and try to trace this. So file, I will lock the objects lock. So we'll try to trace this wind turbine just quickly. It won't take me a lot of time. So here I will just try to, okay, now this, okay. Now we will just try to make a reproduction of the wind turbine and mix it with the hybrid one. Maybe I will. It's not necessary to copy it as it is, but we need to have the big idea. Window, Pathfinder, and think. I'll try to make a reproduction of the design, and this. I'll delete these two. Maybe make it here. So don't forget to bring your cup of coffee because this tutorial is gonna be a little long, but I promise you it's very interesting. So I'm gonna just duplicate this like this as quickly as I can and duplicate it another time like this. I will try to add some an eclipse or a sphere here on the in the center. It's not I'm not obliged to make it 100% the same, but we have to take the big idea. Now for the stand. So now I will delete this picture. I won't need it anymore, or rather will leave it on the side. like this. For the base, I'm gonna use this color, maybe. So now, or I just need to come up with the sketch. So the wind turbine is here. So I will try to make the sky on the background using the color, maybe a blue sky like this. Arrange back to back. So for my scene, I will use this size. Orange to French. So like this, and maybe object lock. I will duplicate this like this, and for the ground, maybe a green ground like this. Now I need to add the solar panel to retrace the image. I will something like this. It will be hybrid solar panels, and add those very quickly. So the very important is to try to illustrate the idea that ChatGPT come up with, and try to make it as an illustration. So to come up with the ideas for illustrations, you have many options. You can even search for ideas on the news websites, or so this is our solar panel. I will try to like this. As you can see, our solar panel is ready. I will just try to duplicate the solar panel. So this is the hybrid wine wine turbine. This is the hybrid. Orange, bring to the front. I will do the same for this. arrange, bring to the front, and arrange, bring to the front. So we have finished with the hybrid solar panels. I will try to increase the size a little bit, like this. Now we are going for this type of wind turbine. So for me, I will use just use it for inspiration, or make it on the side and try to create something that is near to it. So using the pencil, the pen tool, I will try to come up with something nearer to this form. As I said, we are not obliged to make it 100% look the same as we are just using the photos for illustration, for inspiration purpose. Something like this, why not? And the third one will be come from here to here, and maybe why not? I will try to make this base like this and change the color of it. Now we can maybe, so just for to make something near the photo that we have. So we group all these shapes. Now I will try to make this base, but before that let's create this base like this and change the color. Maybe add I hope you are liking the design process. Now we try to create this base. So basically, just with the you must know that I'm not taking my time because I have to make the tutorial very short. Normally, I take my time in the creation of illustrations, but just to give you the general idea, and how you can create illustrations based on an idea that you have to bring to life. So this tutorial is basically oriented to graphic designers with illustration manipulation. So so here I will try to bring this to the front like this. So here we have the our wind turbine, the second model. I will just try to duplicate it like this, maybe like this. Okay, I will add a sun here, change the color. I'm really speeding here, but it's not a problem. It's very. I hope you are entertaining with this tutorial because I didn't prepare for this tutorial. I've just come up with the idea and began recording directly this tutorial. So create things manually. Or wait. So add the sun here, maybe, or I will make it in the center, maybe here or here or here. I will add some clouds on. I will just try to draw some clouds like this. Color white, and here our cloud. Reduce the opacity, something like this. So what we need now is some modern building to illustrate for the background the high-tech landscape. So for the high-tech landscape we have found this picture for illustration. This one. So what just go just going to make some building with the trees on the windows, something you can say this as building. We add this color, maybe this, add some windows to the building, maybe glass windows like this. Just I'm trying to speed up a little bit. So I will add some green plants. Okay. I will try to lock the elements. Just some drop in green plants like this and make them green. It's like they are coming, they come up from the window. This is just for an illustration purpose only. Maybe something like this, or maybe I will make the whole building green. I will try to make this. Now I will try to make the whole building green, something like this. Why not? G. Now I think the illustration is ready. We have the same color as the ground, as the grass. So we try to something like this. Why not? Now that's our illustration. I will add the buildings on the background like this, and bring this two wind turbines to the front. So now I will prepare. I think that I have finished the illustration. I will prepare the file for. I will create here a folder. I will name it Sustainable Climate Visual. I will for sure register the file. Save as. Sustainable. Sustainable. So what I do generally is I work with when I want to submit and do the illustration. I go on pixel and I for the wide I use 4000 and for the high 3000. This is the standard for me. Copy this and call everything here, paste everything here. I will try to center this on the I always submit my 2D illustrations with this size and export them as EPS. On the must the graphic must not go outside the area. Always must be within. Try to select. Okay, now I will register this. Now for the exportation, sustainable, okay, for example. So to export our illustration for Microstock agencies, I'm going to export or I think save as EPS format and check use artboards and register. For the illustration version, I go for the all the versions. I will just register it with the Illustrator 8 and click OK. Saving this document is an older format. May convert all type of point type and disable the editing for each other. OK. Now we have our this the file is ready for submission. I will submit it for Shutterstock, but before this, let's come up with some keywords. I will go to ChatGPT. I will create everything, the keyword, the description. So here the ChatGPT. I have created a design. I have created a design with the team. I will tell him the team sustainable climate. I will just tell him what he told me before. Okay. So I have created a design with the team. Advanced wind turbine, a futuristic wind farm with cutting-edge turbines, design including these turbines and model. The scene could be high-tech landscaping energy infrastructure. So I will make this between brackets. Okay, like this. Now give me 50. Now give me, first of all, give me a description for this illustration and 50 related keywords separated with comma, and the magic happened. Here we have the description. So I will tell him to make a description must be 2 lines max. So for the description, he gave as a futuristic wind farm features cutting-edge vertical axis hybrid wind turbine against high-tech landscape, integrated with clean energy infrastructure including solar panels, energy storage. It represents the future of sustainable energy. And here we have 50 keywords. Maybe the description, make the description straight to the point, very short. Features wind farm with advanced vertical axis and hybrid turbines set in a high-tech landscape featuring solar panels and energy. And here we have 50 keywords separated with comma. Futuristic wind farm, advanced wind turbines, vertical axis winds, hybrid wind turbines, high-tech landscape, clean energy, renewable energy, energy infrastructure, solar panels, energy storage, smart grid, sustainable energy. All those keywords we are gonna to use them. So now we are going to Shutterstock contributor. We are gonna hit upload and drag our. We have here two EPS. Why? I will try to open this file just to not forget. The color mode must be RGB. RGB for the showing on Microstock agencies. Save. Just okay. We have just changed the CMY to RGB mode. So we will let our illustration upload and show you the submission process. So the illustration is uploaded now. We are going to home. Not submitted. And we are going to check the illustration and click edit. As you can see, the illustration have previewed on the Shutterstock submission window. This means that our submission, our illustration is working. So we are just going to go to ChatGPT and check the description. Uh, okay, description. Pass our description here. Category animal wildfire. We are going for technology, industrial technology. We are going to check the keywords. I will compile the 50 keywords. And pass them here. So we have here our keywords. ChatGPT gave me 50 keyword, 49 keywords, but I find that they are compound. I prefer to use known compound keywords or make a mixture between compound and non-compound. I will just tell ChatGPT to can you make me single keywords, not compound, and the total must be 50. 50. Separate them with comma. I always submit with the single keywords, not compound. So I will delete all the keywords here. Now I will pass the keywords. We have 51 keywords. I will delete one. This uh, I can add the word illustration. Advancement, automation, clean tech, design, eco-efficiency, energy efficient, environment, future, high tech, hybrid, PowerPoint, PowerPoint, production, renewable, windmill, turbines. I don't know if he integrated the word vertical axis wind turbines, vertical axis. He didn't add it to. I can add this manually. Vertical axis. Click enter. Now I will. It's here added, and the very important word is hybrid. Hybrid. It must be indicated on the keywords. It's existing here. And the most important keyword, I think, futuristic wind farm, maybe wind farm, wind farm, wind farm. It's existing. So now for the image type is an illustration. For the usage is commercial. I'm gonna just click save. After we found versus verticals, after I will add here illustration of a futuristic wind farm. Technology illustration. And now that keyword have spelling errors, click red keywords to correct. Save. When you are okay with this, the entering the information, you just hit submit. So here we have chosen the category and the type is illustration. We can have photo or illustration. Now we are working on illustration. So let's hit submit. Keywords have spelling errors. Click red keywords. I don't see red keywords here. Save. Submit. He told me that keywords have spelling errors and maybe vertical axis. This I don't need to use this sign vertical axis. I will try to vertical axis Save, submit. Mark all keyword as correct. I forgot to mark all the keyword as correct. Vertical axis. So now I will submit. So we have finished. Our illustration is on the review process. It's pending here. It will take between 1 day to 3 days to get approved on the Microstock Shutterstock website. And we are here after a few days. Our illustration got accepted. It's here approved. I will click on it. You can see the approved here with the green color and with all the keywords, and so this shows that the work that we have did is correct and it's right.